Welcome back to Sammy Does Vlogs, and today we are at Jollywood Nights. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's so many things to go see. There's two shows I want to see or try to see, and there's one for sure that we will watch no matter what, and it's Hollywood. What is it called? Hollywood. Let me look. And it's called Disney Holidays in Hollywood. Very excited to go watch that show. I've seen a lot of good things. They have actual like Muppets. I'm so excited for that.
Kermit!
Yes. So we're gonna go around, see as much as we can, see what we can do. Let's go. Let's head on in. Okay, we are now about to take a picture with the Jollywood Nights sign with the official mascot. Go. You want to read it again? Go ahead.
There once was a cookie named Ollie who made his way west on a trolley. With oven-baked gleam, he followed his dream and made all of Tinseltown jolly.
I'm excited for this.
Me too.
The street looks so good. Also, the Chinese theater at the end, it looks amazing. The decorations are awesome, and it feels like Christmas time, Rachel.
Christmas!
There are so many exclusive characters to take photos with tonight. Like right here, it's Phineas and Ferb. The line is insane. So this might be our only look at them tonight, but if the line gets shorter later on, we will take a picture with them. 100%, they're awesome. They look so good in their Christmas stuff. Look at them. It's Duffy, dressed as Santa. No way. Rachel, he looks adorable.
I know!
He's
not on the list.
He isn't. He's new. It's his first time in the US, apparently. Look at him.
Why does he have to have such a long line?
I mean, I get it. I understand why it's such a long line. Look at him. He's so cute.
I want to hug him.
Me too. No, we can't do it. Okay, let's keep moving. Maybe we'll come back. Look at the Christmas tree in the middle of the lake here. It looks so good. And our first thing of today is the What's This? Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas sing-along in the Hyperion Theater.
What's this? What's this?
We're gonna sing our hearts out.
Oh, yeah. Is there any question about that?
But look at this crowd for this thing. It's already very busy, and this is 20 minutes before the show even starts. We're heading on in already. Dang, that was fast.
That was really quick.
Good decision.
Very good decision.
We are now seated to watch the Nightmare Before Christmas sing-along. So excited. Also, our seats are perfect. Our seats are really good. Let me show you where we're sitting. We are sitting like directly in the middle of the theater. This is perfect.
I invite you to lend your voices and sing along during What's This? Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas sing-along.
Hello, my friends. What a wonderful sight. Let me welcome you all on this fine Christmas night. Now, you've heard the old story. We all know it well. But that's not the story I came here to tell. Every now and again, often more than it seems, when your eyelids are heavy and fated for dreams, a new sort of story just might be in store. When the mind is a forest and you've opened a door. Like the scene you see here, at a first passing glance might seem ordinary, yes, or plain happenstance. But such wonders emerge where reality thins, and that is where our story begins.
What's this? What's this? There's color everywhere. What's this? There's white things in the air. What's this? I can't believe my eyes. I must be dreaming. Wake up, Jack. This isn't fair. What's this? What's this? The hanging mistletoe. They kiss? Why, that looks so unique. What is this?
What have we here? Santa Claus, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the one everybody's talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you'd better pay attention now. I'm the boogeyman, and if you aren't shaking, there's something very wrong. 'Cause this may be the last time you hear the boogie song. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm the Oogie Boogeyman. He's funny, I'm laughing, you really are too much. And now with your permission, I'm going to do my stuff. I'm gonna get ya! 'Cause I'm Mr. Oogie Boogie, and you ain't going nowhere! Woo!
What's this?
What's this?
I haven't got a clue. What's this? Why, it's completely new. What's this? Must be a Christmas thing. What's this? It's really very strange.
It is plain, as anyone can see, we're simply meant to be.
And so, as you've seen, there is much to be found in the cover of a night, where such wonders abound. By the light of the moon, and the gust of the wind, from the shadows that mask an old skeleton's grin. Was it really a dream? Did it happen at all?
Okay, we just finished the Nightmare Before Christmas sing-along. And what'd you think?
It was amazing.
It was so good. Oh my god, I had so much fun in that. I was smiling from ear to ear.
Jack was amazing.
He looked so real. Okay, so that's one of the best puppeteering I've seen in a long time. Oh my god, he looked so good. He looked amazing.
He did.
It's because our angle was perfect, so we looked directly at him and we could not see whoever was puppeteering them. He looked so real.
So real.
Oh, that was so cool. Also, the actors on the stage didn't say a single word, but they're like acting and like doing all the things before the songs.
Said so much.
It was perfect. It was so good. And then I love Jack just like making it seem like it was all a dream.
But that was so
cool. And then just singing. That was so much fun just to sing all of my favorite songs.
And Oogie Boogie.
Oogie Boogie. Oogie Boogie. Oh, I saw him at Oogie Boogie Bash recently, but he looks even better dancing and singing like that. Oh, that was
the closest I've seen him. I've seen him on the castle stage. But that was a far distance.
No, that was awesome. Oh, I wish we could do that again. But now, we're gonna go find a quick bite, hopefully something Jollywood Nights themed, and then we're gonna go watch the Hollywood stage show. I'm still having trouble learning these things, but
Disney.
that's a high. That was so much fun. Disney Holidays in Hollywood, thank you. But that was so much fun. Oh my god, I did not expect to have that much fun. Singing Nightmare Before Christmas. It's such a simple premise. We're gonna go just sing Christmas Thanksgiving music.
Oh, okay.
But it's so good.
I love the music. I'm kind of disappointed in myself. I had to look at the lyrics the whole time.
So, we got a little snack. We got the gingerbread bites from the outdoor vendors. It has a little gingerbread man on it.
Ollie.
Ollie. Ollie. See, you don't know how to say it either. Don't make fun of me.
I'm not making fun of you.
I can't wait to try these. These look delicious. Also, we got. Oh, you got it. Nice. We got a Mickey brownie. It looks delicious. I'm excited for both.
It's so good.
Oh, focus. There we go. Look at him. He's adorable. And there's the.
Black.
You gotta go get closer. This is the gingerbread bites. Maybe if you want to focus it. There we go. These are the gingerbread bites. They look delicious.
They smell amazing.
Okay, grab one. We'll cheers it.
Okay.
Also, I'm still so, I'm on a high right now because of how fun it was singing Christmas music. Oh my gosh.
It was.
Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Pretty good.
That's pretty good. That's really good.
It needs some icing.
Yes. Icing to make these perfect.
Icing dip.
I expected it to be harder.
Same.
And they're chewy. This is really good.
I love it.
Welcome to my rating scale. Out of 10, what would you rate this food?
10.
Oh, 10? Oh, yeah. You like them that much? They're good. I'll give them a solid 8 out of 10. These are really, really good.
I love gingerbread.
Oh, well, that makes sense. Oh my god. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna try the brownie. We'll eat an ear each.
He ripped the ears off Mickey.
That look, I don't know if you saw that look. It was a good, it was like, it was so evil. Here's earless Mickey.
There's just holes.
Okay, here you go, grab your brownie. And same thing.
Cheers.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Pretty good.
I love brownies, oh my god. 10 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 because I expected it to be cakey. Because most of the brownies here, when they're supposed to be soft, they're cake. So when you bite it, it'll fall apart. This one stayed together. I bit it, and in my mouth, it's still like, it didn't fall apart like a cake.
It didn't.
It felt like an actual brownie.
It felt
which
like
is
a real
rare,
brownie.
because brownies, you know, when it's bigger brownies are like these kind, they're like cakey. This brownie, delicious.
When you said.
It's cold. We're both like, this is delicious, but we're also freezing. We have now finished our little Jollywood Nights snack, and now we are heading to the Hollywood Tower Hotel.
Hey, you said it wrong. It's the Hollywood Tower Hotel.
Does it actually say the Hollywood?
Yeah.
Does it really?
Purple O is never working. It's working for the first time ever.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Let me say it right. The Hollywood Tower
Yeah.
Hotel. Are you proud of me? Do you feel better now?
I do. I really do.
This is the only thing that I miss about Disneyland's tower being changed is this lobby. I miss it so much. Guardians is better though.
Oh yeah.
Stop touching the dragon. Stop it. You're gonna get in trouble. They're gonna call the cops.
Let them call the cops.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Just got off the Hollywood Tower Hotel. What'd you think?
I survived.
It was her first time riding without gripping on for dear life on the bar.
I was holding on to all my stuff.
That doesn't count. You floated more, huh?
Uh-huh.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was it
I
better?
screamed so loud.
I know, we saw.
So sorry if you're deaf now.
So, we ran from Tower and we came here to get good seats for the Disney's Holidays in Hollywood. I have to read it because I forgot the name already. But let me show you our seats. But here are our seats for the show. This is really good seats. Also, I'm on the end, so there's no one in front of me.
Hi-ho and welcome to Disney Holidays in Hollywood! Yay! Hello, everyone! I am Kermit the Frog, here with the fabulous Miss Piggy, and we
are so honored to be co-hosting this magical musical show for all of you tonight.
Bonjour! Yes, 'tis moi! The greatest gift of all this holiday season. It must be such an honor for all of you to have moi here tonight.
Piggy, I said the honor was ours.
Huh? Oh, right. I suppose it is an honor for you and the rest of the cast, too. Well, when I think about what Christmas means to me, I think about presents.
Really? Just presents? There's so much more to the holiday season than gifts, isn't there?
Well, sure. But come on! We're literally standing in a pile of presents! Clothes, shoes, and toys for all the little piggies and froggies out there who dream of being just like you and Bob. Toyland, Toyland, everyone's Christmas joyland. Whatever you might celebrate, that's a gift from the heart.
Come on, everybody!
Toyland, Toyland, fill up your hearts with Joyland. We hope this season spirit brings you everything you need.
Kermit the Frog and Miss Piggy, everyone.
Oh, it's a Santa hat, Piggy.
I know that. Where did it come from? If this show has costume changes, I think someone in wardrobe would have told me.
Trust me, I know. Anyway, I just found this hat backstage.
Well, that just won't do. I didn't have any time to accessorize between numbers, and I refuse to be upstaged.
I could never upstage you, Piggy. Listen, how about I make it up to you by getting you a churro and a Spirit jersey after the show?
Throw in a giant pretzel and you got a deal.
Done.
Now we're talking.
Aren't they just the best?
Wow, would you look at that? It's snowing out there.
Oh, it's snowing! How wonderful!
Gosh, I love the snow. Just makes you want to run outside and look for a Christmas tree.
See the blazing you before us. La 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 la.
Going to fetch a new tree for us. La 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 la.
And the stockings by the fire. La 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 la.
Wow, the snow keeps piling higher. Come on, I see a perfect tree not too far from here. Better get to it now before the snow gets any deeper. Oh, wait till you see this, Minnie.
It's beautiful.
Well, Minnie, I wanted to make sure you had a Christmas tree as lovely as you are. Each shining light, each silver bell. No one lives spreads cheer so well. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Oh, I almost forgot the most important decoration of all.
Gina, what's that?
Mistletoe, of course.
Oh, gosh. Merry Christmas, Minnie.
Up next, we've got a royal twist on some holiday favorites after the break.
happy holiday and a swinging new year. Come on, everybody, sing along.
We wish you a jolly holiday. We wish you a jolly holiday. We wish you a jolly holiday. And a swinging new year. We wish you a jolly holiday. We wish you a jolly holiday. We wish you a jolly holiday. And a swinging new year.
That's a wrap, folks.
All you, happy holidays, everybody! See you real soon! Happy holidays!
Thank you all so much for joining us. We hope you had a great time here at Disney Holidays in Hollywood.
Okay, we just got out of Disney's Holidays in Hollywood. I got it right. It was amazing. Oh my gosh, that was so good. Seeing Miss Piggy and Kermit.
Derby, Mickey.
Man tears. A couple
He did shed a few.
tears of respect. They looked so good. And then Mickey and Minnie, Tiana killed it. She was like going crazy. She was like doing the full 9 yards. It was insane. Also, the two singers, the two main hosts,
Oh yeah.
amazing.
I love them.
That was worth the price of admission. That show, amazing.
The
Highly
dancers were
recommend.
amazing.
Out of 10? 10 out of 10. Easy.
Yeah.
I would go watch that again.
Me too. Let's go.
That was so good. Oh my god. We are now entering Toy Story Land, and Woody has a scarf. Because it's Christmas time.
Christmas!
And then look at Rex up there. He's a reindeer. He's so cute. Oh, look at Slinky. We're going to get on that right now. Let's go. All right. Slinky Dog Dash time. It's a 5-minute wait. You won't see this very often. We're going to get on so fast. So, switching to the 360 GoPro camera on Slinky Dog right now. Nice and calm.
Here we go. You just remember what your old house said. You got a friend in me.
That was so much fun. It was freezing cold, but Slinky Dog during Christmas time.
So worth it.
When you go by, usually it sounds like slings, but right now it's Christmas sleighs. Amazing. But now we're running to the front of the park to go catch the end of Jingle Bell, Jingle Bam,
Bam wham.
the special Hollywood Jollywood Nights show. We're moving fast.
Just a little bit.
god.
That was so cool.
That was fun.
I loved it.
All right, time to head out. All right, and that is it for Jollywood Nights. We had so much fun. It's so loud. The fireworks were actually really cool.
Really
It was
good.
all around us, so like they were going off everywhere. It was so much fun. We did Nightmare Before Christmas. We got the snacks, the little pretzel bites, gingerbread bites. I'm so sorry, they're delicious. And then the but we did so much today. It was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check the links down below. My TikTok and Instagram are down there. Her TikTok down there. And Instagram. Maybe Instagram. We'll see. But I hope you have a nice day or a nice night wherever you are. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Bye.